Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI, to create powerful affiliate marketing campaigns. First, let's start by understanding what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where a business rewards its affiliates for each customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Now, let's get started with using ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. First, you'll need to have access to a ChatGPT API. Once you have access, you can start using it to generate high-quality product descriptions, add copy, and even entire blog posts. One of the key advantages of using ChatGPT for affiliate marketing is its ability to understand context and generate highly relevant content. For example, if you're promoting a specific product, ChatGPT can analyze the product's features and generate content that highlights those features in a way that's likely to appeal to potential customers. Another great feature of ChatGPT is its ability to generate content in a variety of formats, including text, audio, and video. This means you can use it to create engaging video scripts, podcast scripts, or even product descriptions for your website. To give you an example, let's say you're promoting a new weight loss supplement. You can use ChatGPT to generate a compelling video script that highlights the benefits of the supplement and how it can help people lose weight. So, to sum up, ChatGPT is an extremely powerful tool for affiliate marketers. It can help you generate high-quality content that will appeal to potential customers, and it can also help you create content in a variety of formats. If you're an affiliate marketer and you're looking for a way to take your campaigns to the next level, give ChatGPT a try. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on using cutting-edge technology to boost your business.
Wait, there's a sign here that says train arriving momentarily. We're gonna ride the giant train. Or does that say momentarily? Oh no. The train is arriving momentarily. Oh no, all aboard the moon train. Guys, this is